It's a Sunday and I've had a really long day. I've been at the mall all day and I've been shooting for this brand and yeah, I'm tired. So I'm just gonna get myself some tea and then head to Zara. Let's see what's there. It always makes me feel better. So yeah, I don't know if this is a vlog or what, but let's see. I'm just waiting for my tea so I can go and shop. Yummy. We are buying some body care because I've run out of them and I just saw sale and you know me with sales. This is so pretty. Oh my god. This is beautiful. We're at H&M. So cute, like the perfect Christmas. Oh, there's no pockets, but like it's the perfect Christmas night suit. Today's Zara collection is so boring. I don't know how to feel about this one. I don't know what this fit is, but I love that bag. How pretty. But yeah, I might get that red top. This is really pretty and I don't know about the pink skirt, but I will get the red top. These are my picks. I'm so tired, like I'm genuinely so tired. I'm just walking back home. I have to look for a cab, go home, eat, take shower, pass the fuck out, and yeah, I don't even know what I'm shooting, you know. It's just been like 2 days of like fidgeting around with this new toy that I have, and when I sit and edit is when I'll get to know what have I actually shot. And I'm not even using the mic, so now I don't know. I'll shoot it throughout the week and then compile it all, but it's going to be my first ever vlog. So I just got done watching this show called The Girlfriend, and oh my god, what a show. I was trying to curl my hair and also I should remove my phone. Okay, so I was watching and curling my hair. I'm actually already late because I'm supposed to leave in like next 30 minutes. I'm not taking shower and I'm still yet to decide what I'm going to wear out. You know what? I bought a Dyson, but nothing works better than this 15 dirham Temu hair curler, especially on my type of hair because I have such like soft hair. And yeah, this is the only thing that seems to be working. Just got done filming my Get Ready With Me. That's why the loud music. And yeah, I'm ready. Wait, let me show you my outfit. I have to be at Abu Dhabi by 7 and I'm leaving my house at 6:30. My time calculation is amazing, as you can tell. Also today I was like on time, my driver was late. Where the fuck is he? So funny story, I did not go. I got all dressed and got into the car because my fucking driver came at 6:45 and yeah, I sat in the car and then we took a U-turn because I spoke to the people and they said the event will end by 8:39 and on the map it was showing 1 hour 44 minutes. So what's the point? What's the fucking... I look so pretty today and today is the day when I'm going to be sitting at home after getting all ready. So that's my vlog for the day, guys. See you all tomorrow. Bye. I just realized I've burnt my hair to go nowhere, to just sit at home. At least I got to get ready with me out of it. So I'll post that. I'm going to work right now. I'm already late. I have to go for a shoot and then manifestation yoga. So fun day. Let's try. I don't know what the fuck have I made, but like I wish you could see it. Mid. I hope this vlog turns out good. Like at every point, I'm just very scared. Also, I just had coffee, so I'm like very, very high on coffee right now. I just ordered some tacos so I can eat and like relax a little. Say hi!
Hi!
That's Aishwarya. We're going to McDonald's because Aishwarya wants this specific burger. Aishwarya, you're gonna be part of my very first vlog.
Yay!
Yeah. He's not at all excited.
No. Hi!
What burger are we having? I mean, you're having, I'm not having.
What I got? I'm having the McCrispy, spicy McCrispy.
So my plan with Only Rants now is that I'm gonna be making it a Gia Sani channel, and Only Rants is going to be a series of podcasts, and I'll have vlogs. I should have thought this through before, because how much can I talk by myself? A lot, but like when I'm sitting one place I will not. But today I was really happy that I went for a run to the beach. Like it was so refreshing. Even though I'm drenched in sweat, it was very refreshing. The winner takes it all. That's the song I was listening to. And aaj fatte chakle ve chakle suraj ko takle. Guys, only Aishwarya can come to McDonald's and have a karak. That is sick. I'll also have a karak. I wanna see. Thank you, Mama. I can't believe we're having karak from McDonald's. This is fucking sickening.
This is the first time you're roaming with
I did not know that we have karak in McDonald's. This is insane. Wow. This is the most Dubai thing ever. Apart from the luxuries that we have, karak is part of the culture.
Gia is like entering a McDonald's for the first time. 4 साल दुबई में रहा.
I've never entered McDonald's actually. I don't go to McDonald's. But karak in McDonald's has to be like.
We're adapting to global flavors.
I can't believe this. We're having karak in McDonald's. Let's see. Then patila with chai being oblified.
How do you turn it?
Magic, it's magic. So that copyright नहीं लगे इसलिए हमने नहीं गाया, वरना हमें गाना आता है.
हाँ, of course आता है.
So this is chai. इसका कलर देख के मेरी मम्मी बोलेगी कि ये चाय. Guys.
देखते नहीं हैं, सिर्फ पीते हैं. आँख बंद करके.
आँख बंद करके पीना है.
Did I tell you the other day I had chai with soft in it? It was so nice.
I can't do this. Hi. That's our chai. Okay, I'll take it. Thanks.
Oh my god.
Cheers. My dog. Okay, taste test.
It's hot.
It's milk. There's no chai in this, guys. It's literal milk. Garam milk.
If you think about it, chai is flavored milk.
With the flavor of chai. Only milk and elaichi. My mother would throw this on my face and खुद ही पिए. This is the kind of chai I make. That's why her mother doesn't like it. That's why her mother doesn't like it.
It's okay, it'll grow on you.
I like Philly. I'm a Philly gal.
It'll grow on you.
It's literally milk. I don't know what's there to grow.
I love Chaat Bazaar ka and Ragboli.
I like Philly. Anything overpriced, I like. Your intern is engaged.
For the past 6 years.
Look at us. What are we doing in life? We're like, I'm turning 25. Aishwarya is like 30.
I am not.
But like, look at us. All we
You're
do is
so-
go and
you're
buy
so-
McDonald's
you're
chai.
You're so Kylie coded right now because
I know
Kendall
what
was
you're
like
talking about.
27. Yeah. That's like almost 30. But yeah.
Interns are getting engaged, man.
Also,
Oh my god, I saw a meme.
also, Jia, I
Basically,
feel like-
generation before 2000s and generation after 2000s is married. 2000 to 2005 are just chilling. But you're before 2000.
I'm 99.
Never mind, you're
It
the
was
40
90.
piece.
Shut. Oh my lord.
People are gonna hate me like, Jia,
You know-
so rude.
You know what? Someone told me yesterday. 'Cause, okay, my boss thought I was an only child. And I'm like, I give only child energy. And my first thing in my head is like, I'm hanging out too much with Jay. I'm hanging out too much with Jay.
I'm telling you, it's the best energy to give. You give it on a
No,
date.
it's just
Yes, say.
only children.
Are
I'm
disgusting,
sorry,
I know.
I feel
But
like
from nowhere, I give a fucking elder sibling energy. At all, I give younger sibling or only child.
yeah, younger sibling.
Younger sibling, no?
Younger sibling. Only child also actually, but younger sibling more.
Yeah. You have the major big sister energy, like fully.
Yeah.
Aishwarya driving is like Allahu Akbar 5 times in every minute. Bachale na Bhagwan.
No.
The car is running on Bhagwan Bharose, not
There's
her.
one friend of mine, he sat in my car and that was the first time he sat in my car and he's like, Aishwarya, how would you rate your driving from like 1 to 10? So I said
Mine.
7 and he looks at me, he's like, that's not very convincing. I'm like, tu baith na yaar, teko leke jaungi to
तुम बैठ देखो जन्नत दिखाती हूँ literally. My god, the other day I went to this place called Kumo. So if you all are in Dubai, please go to this place called Kumo. It's like a Japanese restaurant. It had such good matcha I wanted to have, and also churros. Man, Japanese restaurant with churros they were so good. I don't know what's with Dubai and like a 40 dirham drink. Like 40 dirham non-alcoholic drink should be illegal. Huh? Like imagine.
Even when we go to time out,
Time out, bro. 60 dirhams, you get the best sangrias. You're drunk. Like you have 2, so in 120 you're sloshed.
but your mocktails also as priced as the alcohol only.
Yeah, I mean, which is fucking sick, right? Because why are we paying so much
For juice.
for juice? Even like milk and matcha, I know because now I'm working at a cafe. I know what the cost price is. It should be illegal to fucking sell for 40 bucks, Aishwarya. And they serve it in jitku mitku glasses. I'm like, इसमें 4 बूंद दूध और 1 बूंद matcha है. Why am I paying 40 bucks? But people like me fucking pay, so that's why they charge. So remember how I went for a run yesterday? I probably did not stretch. I was too excited by the sunset and everything. And today I woke up with the worst fucking muscle pulled in my back. I don't think that sentence makes any sense, but like I pulled my back muscle, and first thing I've done is go and get this. I have to go and put it on my back as well. I don't know what's happening. Something's wrong with my health. Like first with my throat, it's still recovering. Like I'm much better now, but like I've just recovered, and now this. I don't know who's putting nazar. Please stop putting nazar on me. But yeah, that's the update for now. Let's see how the day goes. I've booked my Pilates for tomorrow and day after, so I don't know what to do. I can't cancel it, so let's all hope and pray. I think this vlog is just me talking at random points of the day and giving you all update. There's nothing fun happening, is what I feel. It's been such a terrible day because my back hurts a lot. I wasn't able to focus on work at all. I didn't feel like eating anything. It's just bad. Even though the weather's getting really, really good in Dubai, it's just my back hurts. My back hurts a lot. Like I want to sneeze and I can't because it hurts. But anyways, by the way, Subco is opening here soon, which I am super excited about actually.
Babe, how's your back?
Fucked. Anyone watching this who knows what this is, because I don't, and I don't know what's
It's a
gonna
muscle
happen.
relaxer. Baba.
No doctor has recommended this to me. So if I die after
I have.
this is the proof. If I thank you, that's a falafel, which I hope is. Oh, कितना अच्छा packaging है for a cafeteria. It was not like this last time. I think it's wrong. Hi, so this is the next day. I just got done oiling my hair and I'm gonna stay like this for the entire day. But what happened after last night was basically that it got worse. So my pain kept increasing, and today morning I went to the doctor and then got a painkiller shot, and yeah, now I'm much better. But I still have been advised to not do any physical activity for the next 2-3 days, and I had booked Pilates today and tomorrow and I can't cancel it, so good luck to me. I feel someone sitting with a voodoo doll of mine and just like twisting my back and like doing something, because never have I ever fallen this sick for this long at the same time. Like, this is insane. Anyways, today I'm gonna take a saltwater bath because this shit needs to end. Yesterday I cried because I sat in my bathtub to take shower and I couldn't get up. Like it was the pain was so unbearable that I just could not get up, and I just sat there and cried. I was like, why is this happening to me? But okay, I'm good now. I'm fine. Okay, it's Friday and I haven't shot the entire day. I just realized, oh, I'm vlogging and I forgot to shoot. So, wow. And my back pain is still there, much lesser though. So I'm better. But yeah, I was at work all day, edited my only rants where I was talking about how I need to buy an Osmo Pocket in order to start vlogging, and now I have it. So I have to get waxed, which I have no time for. So I'm thinking if I should go today or tomorrow. Let's see what we're gonna do about that. Tomorrow I have work as well, and I have another meeting. So I'm just like, and I also need to go home, cook and eat. So now I don't know what should I do. Should I go get waxed today or should I go get waxed tomorrow? Never mind. That's the struggle every girl has. I don't know what to do about it. But yeah, also that's my fit for today. Just some oversized clothes. I love this shirt because it's embellished, so it's like a little extra, and my red shoes. I think my vlog's gonna be super boring because all I've done is just yap at different times of the day. Like nothing fun to show, because every time something fun's happening I forget to vlog. Yeah, see you guys, bye.